Welcome back, everybody, to the channel. Today we're gonna have a daily recap. I just want to kind of show you guys today a little rundown of today's trade. It is July 5th. Hopefully you guys had a good 4th of July. It's a quick little 14% banger. You know, I took it from 911 to 923. I was in the red for a minute, I'm not gonna lie. I recognized a little bull flag, so I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna stay in it, bro. Ended up ripping all day, dude. This happens all the damn time. So this is literally all I use. I just use VWAP and I use the 9 EMA. I also had the 20 EMA. I don't know why I took it off on this screen, but I have another screen over here on this side right here, and I got a couple other charts open. I got the SPY, the Qs, the VIX, pretty much open, and then I got a 20 EMA, 9 EMA over there. And yeah, man, so look, this is honestly was a beautiful trade. I don't know why I didn't even just like kind of chill. That's one thing I got to do, man. I created this channel because, you know, I'm a beginner trader and I'm just trying to tap into the community. You know, I'm trying to network, you know, with other traders and just like trying to see what's up, man, you know, build a little community. But this is pretty much where I hopped in the trade right here. So again, I had a late start today. I hopped in, usually trade on the 5, 15 and 3-minute chart. So on the 5-minute chart usually is where I pretty much get I get the overall picture, you know, from like the daily chart. And then I just go to the 4-hour, hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute. And but yeah, usually the 5-minute is where I pretty much, that's the one that I look at the most, you know. 911, 11 to 23. So let's see, around right here, 911. This is pretty much where I entered right here. There was like a little pop. So you got this bull flag forming, and I'm just like, you know what, let me enter the trade. If it breaks under these wicks right here, I'm out. But keep in mind, I did see this double bottom. What I like to trade is just like volume and just price pretty much, and little breakouts and stuff like that, because at the end of the day, you know, everyone else sees different patterns. You know, someone could see like a head and shoulders somehow here, other people could be like, oh, it's a double bottom. So what I seen, again, it's a little double bottom, you know. Price dropped all the way around to this range right here. It's at 373, and then it went up back to the open, down, and then, you know, once I see all these little candles just being closed, and it just literally cannot break down lower, I'm just like, all right, bro, let's hop in some calls. But I didn't hop into a call until, again, 911, which is right here. I'm like, bro, this is like a clear little bull flag. I think it's gonna go for the break, and that's exactly what it did. It broke. And then I did exit out 923, which is pretty much at the very top of this little momentum breakout. I think that's what it's called. I don't know, man. Again, everybody, I'm just new. I've only taken like one course. So and the course was about how to use thinkorswim, a little bit of trading. So yeah, man. So that's pretty much for today's trade, everybody. But then look at this, man. Look how beautiful this is. It just rode up all day, man. All I had to do, and again, everybody, I kind of play a little risky. I play zero day to expire options. We'll go to the 15, man. Look at that. That would have been perfect. It just rode the 9 EMA all day. And again, everybody, I know a lot of people don't like indicators. Personally, I like to just slap them on there, because sometimes, like, I feel like some days they do work and then other days they might not work. But again, basically on the price, man, like, it just didn't break any lower, so there was just no need to get out of that call. But man, that's one thing I'm working on, to be honest, you guys. I gotta work on my patience. That's literally the number one thing that it's like, man, I'm trying to get like a sign or a banner right here in my office that says office/room, because I'm showing you guys the progress. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm a document pretty much myself just blowing up, you know, from living here at my parents' crib to just like, you know, making that money, you know, getting my own crib. But patience pays in this game, everybody. Like, I don't know, I feel like day trading just has such a bad rep. But, you know, I don't blame it, though, because it's like, bro, there's out there a bunch of scammers, a bunch of all these like worthless courses, bro. I can tell you guys right now, man, you could learn all this stuff on YouTube for free, bro. So many YouTubers out there that just spit game for free. And again, that's literally how it's with practice, man, and failing a lot. Because I could tell you guys right now, man, I'm not making millions. I'm barely making any. Like, literally, bro, I swear, bro. At the beginning of this game, you don't make really that much money. You lose a lot of money, bro. I lost money for like 2 years. And then just recently right now that I'm making these videos, I'm like, okay, I make just a little bit of cash, you know. So I'll take the W. Again, everybody, a little 14% banger on the SPY. So yeah, man. So, and what's crazy, look, check this out. So usually towards the end of the day, later on, once I grow my, honestly, I have a little account, bro. It's under $500. Like, that's literally how much I just buy one contract. That's all I do. And if I can't afford a decent contract with, like, you know, decent delta to theta to beta to, you know, like the Greeks and all that stuff, then I'm just gonna stay away from just trading. But majority of the time, you know, there is a couple options that are pretty good. Man, look at that, man. I sold it, bought it for 139, sold it for 160. And again, if I would have bought maybe like a 1 to 2 month out date to expiration, and I waited, look at that, man. That's crazy right there. That's really good returns. Again, options is really risky, and I've learned my lesson. Oh man, I've learned the hard way, bro. I've literally I'm gonna have to make a separate video about this, but like literally there was a time where in one day with options I blew up my account. I didn't blow it up, but I blew it up to 2K. Like, I think I only had like $200-300, and I blew it up to 2K, and I'm like, bro, what the hell, this is insane. Like, I made like damn near like 2K in a day. I was so excited. And then like the next day I lost 400. The next day I pretty much lost all that money, bro. And you know, over time, I've just learned that, like, dude, if you have a nice system, a nice set of rules, you have good risk management. I'm telling you guys, this game is literally just try not to lose money. That's it. That's at the beginning of it. Just don't lose money. That's it. Keep your losses small. And then, you know, once you get some good winners, bro, you just let them ride. And that's pretty much about it. But again, everybody, I'm not going for like the millions right now. I'm just going for the thousands, or the hundreds and the thousands. That's what I'm saying right now. So anyways, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm a brand new trader. I've only been trading for about 2 years, so that's technically still pretty new. You know, I'm still a noob. So let me know in the comments down below, man, how did you guys do today? And yeah, I'm definitely going to be dropping more videos, probably drop some vlogs here and there, and we'll see where this channel goes. So yeah.